very warm welcome to you all. Okay, today we are going to start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is birds. You have heard this name, birds. You have seen also. You have seen the birds now flying here and there. So we can see birds almost everywhere. We can see them now everywhere, and there are varieties of birds found in a world. Almost there are 8,000 kinds of birds on the earth. Some are of small size and some are of big size. The smallest bird in the world is known as humming birds, and the largest bird is ostrich. And ostrich is a bird which can't able to fly, because first they are of large size and their bones is also very heavy. So ostrich can't able to fly. Okay, so varieties of birds are found in a world, but there are some feature of the birds. Commonly we used to see these type of birds only. So we will discuss the parts of their body. Okay, the body parts of the birds we will discuss. And first, before discussing, let's have some activity, fun. So I am asking some question to you. A green bird with red beak. Okay, a green bird with red beak. What is the name? Parrot. Parrot are of green color. Okay, and their beak is red. Now a flightless bird. Just now I have taken the name. Flightless means the bird which can't able to fly. Which is the flightless bird? Ostrich. Ostrich is a flightless bird. Now next, a bird whose eggs we eat. You used to eat the egg of the which bird? Very tasty eggs. Different dishes of the egg you used to make it from the egg of which bird? Hen. Answer is hen. We used to eat the egg of hen. Now the national bird of India. What is the national bird of the India? Very beautiful. Peacock. Peacock is a national bird of India. A bird that was used to carry messages. In early time there was no post office, no telephone, no internet was there. So who used to carry the message from one place to another place? Here also one bird is helping to carry the message from one place to another place. And the name of that bird is pigeon. You have heard the name pigeon. There is a one song also. Try to recall that song, okay? So Hindi name is given over there. So these birds, pigeon used to carry the message from one place to another place. Now let's start discussing the different body part of the birds. You can see here the picture of a common bird. Usually when anyone will say you to draw the bird, commonly you will draw this picture only. So first of all, what is this? This is eyes. Okay, this is eyes of the bird, and bird is having two eyes. We are having eyes in front now, both the eyes in front only, but birds are having eyes like how we are having ear. Both sides of the head they are having eyes. One is this side, one is that side. So when they want to see here and there, they used to do like this. They are not having eyes in front. They are having eyes in a sideways. Okay. So this is the eyes of the bird. Now next part is beak. They are having beak. With the beak only they used to eat the food. Okay, or crack the nuts. So this is the beak of a bird. This is the head. What is this? This is the head of the bird, and this is the crown. Some birds you can see in hen also, there you will see this like this. This is only known as crown, okay? This is a crown part. Some bird is not having this part. This is the throat. What is this? Throat. This is breast. This is the breast of the bird. This is the down feather, which used to cover their body. Their body is covered with the down feather. Okay? Here is the down feather. Now here is the leg. Because sometimes they used to walk also now on land. So that time they are using their legs. So this is the legs. This is the claws. With the claws they hold the branches of the tree. They can hold their prey also. Like that eagle. They catch their prey with the help of claws only. So this is claws. Then here it is a wing, which everyone likes. We also want. Okay? Our desire also. God please gives us wings so we can fly. So this is the wings. And this is the tail of the bird. And this tail only helps birds to change the direction. They are not flying in the same way, in the same direction. Sometimes they are flying this direction, sometimes they are flying in that direction. So who are helping in flying and in changing the direction? This is the tail, this tail only. So today we have learned the different parts of the bird. Okay? So the part of there are the eyes, beak, head, crown, throat, breast, down feather, claws, leg, wings, tails. Okay? And one by one we will discuss the uses of these parts. Okay? And how the different birds is having different type of beak, the different birds is having different type of claws, and how they are using the wings, how they are using the tail, what the different feathers they are having different feathers also, different types of feather, all we will discuss in our next class. So draw a beautiful diagram of a bird and label their parts in your copy neatly. Thank you children.